To enable USB debugging on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down and we want to go to About Phone. In here, we're going to proceed to the software information, and then you want to keep tapping on the build number until you need to enter the screen lock password, and tap on Continue. Once you see this message that the developer mode has been turned on, we're going to go back to Settings and then scroll further down in order to find Developer Options. And then in here, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the debugging section. And then we have USB debugging option in here. If it says that it is blocked by auto blocker in here, then you need to go back to Settings, proceed to Security and Privacy, and then here we need to deactivate auto blocker. So let's do that. There we go. Now we can go back to Developer Options, and now we can enable USB debugging. There we go. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.